Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. Firstly, you can use your contact list, so we can block the number directly using it, or using, let's say, the settings, in which you will be able to manually enter the number. And of course I'll show you both options. Let's begin with the contact list. So let's open the contacts, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and now just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we have to tap on block numbers. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got the information. What's more, we can see this very characteristic icon, which will inform us that this number has been blocked successfully. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on our blacklist. So that was the first way to block a number, and the second way requires entering the settings. So it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites, and just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. So that's the number we just blocked from our contacts. So everything went fine. We successfully added the number to this list, and as I said, from this step you will be able to add the number manually. So just tap on add a number here, and as you can see right here, you can enter the number you want to block and tap on block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, here you've got the option unknown, and you can activate it just by tapping on the switcher here, and that's quite cool, I would say, and maybe useful, because your device will simply block all calls from unidentified callers. So it may be useful, but not always, of course. You can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher. And if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your MOTOROLA Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.